In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to seamlessly integrate your scheduling and appointments directly into your site, making it easier for visitors to see your availability and book meetings with you. So let's dive in and get started. First, you want to head over to your Calendly account. Make sure you're logged in and have access to manage your schedules and meeting types. Once you're in, find the particular calendar you want to add to your Squarespace website. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots next to your calendar. This is where you'll want to click to proceed to the next step. After clicking the 3 dots, you'll see a menu pop up. Look for the option that says Add to Website and click on it. This is the key to embedding your calendar onto other platforms, like your Squarespace site. Once you click this, you'll be presented with a variety of template options. These templates are designed to match different embedding styles, such as inline or pop-up widgets. Choose the one that best fits your website's design and layout needs. Now that you've selected your preferred template, go ahead and click on Continue. This will bring you to a page where you can obtain the embed code. You'll notice a Copy Code button here. Simply click this to copy the HTML code that you'll be inserting into your Squarespace page. Let's shift our focus to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want to add your Calendly calendar. You'll want to add a new content block to your page, so look for the ADD block option and select it. From the list of options, click on Embed. This is where you'll be placing the Calendly code you copied earlier. Click on Edit within the Embed block. You'll see a small section labeled Code Snippet. This is where you'll click Next. Once you're there, look for the option to Embed Data. This is essentially where you'll be pasting the embed code. Go ahead and paste that code right into the box provided. With the code now in place, you're almost done. The final step is to make sure your changes are saved. So find the Save button and click it. This will publish your new configuration, meaning your Calendly calendar is now live on your Squarespace site. Congratulations! You've successfully added Calendly to your Squarespace website. Visitors can now view your availability and schedule appointments without having to leave the page. This integration not only looks professional, but is also incredibly convenient for both you and your clients. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Squarespace tips and tricks.